Good morning, everybody. We are here. Want to say what's going on to Frank first in the chat, as always, man. Nick F, how you doing? Frank, Pudgy, Frank, Orion, Shredder, Marky Mark, John J. Alvarez, Keith, what's going on? Zachary, thank you for the super chat. Before I'm even in here, Zachary sent in super chat. Doge tip jar on Twitter. Confirm. Is it really? I have not seen that tweet yet. Zachary, who tweeted that out, man? Who tweeted that out? Was it Musk that tweeted that out? I'm going to have to go check that out, dude. Zachary, thank you very much for the super chat and letting us know that there is a Doge tip jar that has been confirmed on Twitter, man. Shredder, I'm back. Moto Lifer, Simoninho, first in the chat, man. I like it. John J. Alvarez, Mark, Allison Wonderland, Simoninho, Clarinho, do Brozinho, yes, Simoninho, you're the Brozinho. Pudgy, Meta Pockets, bros. Cause Shredder, 1150 is the new 3:45 o'clock now. Yes, it is, Shredder. Yes, it is. Let's go see what the market is trying to do to us today. Because it seems like it's trying to beat us down, but we do not want it to beat us down any more than it already has. AMC sitting down 0.32% right now. Had a decent morning and then back down. Guys, don't worry too much about that. It's following the NASDAQ. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting sideways at 23.27. GameStop down 1% today. What is this, man? Software update. Can't even click on that. That was weird. Got a software update somewhere. I couldn't even click on it. AMC down 0.84% right now. Farmy, bottom left, sitting at 1169. Hitting all-time lows today, guys. Hitting all-time lows. Tapped out at 1157 down there. Currently sitting at 1169. I'm 99% positive that they have to get the voting results before end of day tomorrow. They've got 4 business days to inform the shareholders of the voting results. So I think that they're really stringing us along here. I don't know why they're waiting so long, but they should have the voting results to us no later than tomorrow. If they don't get it to us by tomorrow, man, I am flying to China, and I'm wringing each one of their necks. Prog sitting at 88 cents right now. 88 cents down 2.37%. The NASDAQ, yeah, is it really up today? I don't know, man. It had a pretty, I guess, decent descent towards the open there, right after the open. My goodness, I don't know why I can't speak. And then it is coming back up a little bit, but it does seem to be turning right here at this major level of support. So we will keep our eyes on that. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all slightly higher on the day. Sundial up about 1%, sitting at 50.56. Mullen Auto up 2.71%, $1.32. CEI up 4%, was doing a lot better pre-market. Was actually, where was it pre-market, man? 93.66 cents in the pre-market, sitting at 80.5 cents right now. SPY up 0.75%, but does seem to be curling back down. BBIG down on the day, 0.45%, sitting at $2.23. Hycroft 3.84% lower, sitting at $1.48. And Netflix, Netflix falling, man. Netflix looks like there's a very good chance that we could be coming down. Where's that? I don't even know if I put that level of support on there. No, we fell through that one. We fell through that one, and I didn't put another level. Well, that's wild. That's wild. We had this line here, $200. Yeah. Well, we got to get another line on there because Netflix just does not want to hold up, man. Let's see. In this little area right here. Yeah, let's put a little line on there, and let's get another one down in this area with a bigger line. All right, so we'll be watching that on the Netflix daily graph there. Okay, at least we got some more lines on the Netflix daily graph right now. And we shall see what happens. Going back over to the chat, we've got, what's up, Clay? Hope all is good. Soto Rican crypto. All is good right now, man. The market is not good, but everything else in life is good. So that's good, right? If the market's not good and that's the biggest concern you got, I think your life is going pretty well. Simon, did I put the right name for Claybro on the screen? Clarinho. I did see that on the Twitter. I have no idea what you posted a picture of there, Frank. I'm not going to lie, man. I have no idea what game that was. I have no idea what a specialist is or anything for that matter. But thank you for including me in the game. Steve Steele tweeted asking Elon about the tip jar, and Elon responded with a yes, 100. Nice. Elon responding yes to Steve Steele tweet about Elon and the Doge tip jar. Very good, man. Zachary, thank you very much for letting us know that Elon intends on getting a Doge tip jar on Twitter. Let's see what Doge, if it's reacting. No more than the overall market is reacting today. So Doge giving back a lot of the hype on Elon Musk buying Twitter there, and Doge is up 1.61%, like a lot of the cryptocurrencies. Apecoin, on the other hand, Apecoin is doing extremely well. Apecoin absolutely soaring. Guys, if anybody tells you that Apecoin is going to keep up this like level of gains, it's not. I mean, look how, hold on, where did this come from? I want that down there. Apecoin is not going to keep up this level of gains. It will have to steady out. Look how steep these higher lows are. Very, 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 very steep trend line. So, not going to be able to keep, that's like a Pringleton or a, God, what was a Johann steep right there, man. So, it will steady out at some point, but doing extremely well over the last couple of weeks there. To this and see what's going on in the market. REIT CEI is going to get delisted on May 20th if they can't hold $1 for 30 days. And then New York Stock Exchange has no spine to enforce the rule. Shredder. Let's see, man. So I don't know the exact dates on CEI and whether or not it's going to be delisted. So I do know that if you're under $1 for 6 months, and I don't know if it's New York Stock Exchange or if it's listed on the NASDAQ, but I know specifically the NASDAQ, you got to be above $1. If you're under $1 for more than 6 months, where's CEI? I wanted to look up a big chart. Oh, here it is. If you're under $1 for more, my goodness, what? How many days above $1 did it hit? Only one? Alright, 6 months takes you to like October. Nah, I don't think it's gonna be May, man. Let's see. December, end of May. Under $1. Bounce back. So under $1 here. Let's just talk in this area right here. I mean, I guess maybe by the end of May, it does have a possibility of needing to be above $1. Yes, you could be correct on that, but I mean, it's so close, man. I think it could. I think it could get there. But they're most likely going to get an extension, man. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned about them I wouldn't be terribly concerned about them getting delisted. They could just file for an extension. Same deal that Sundial did, same deal that Farmy did. They really like to give extensions out these days. Keep these things listed. GameStop, little green candle. I like the green candles on here. GameStop posting a green candle. We need more green candles, though. We need them on Farmy. We need them on AMC. We need them on Shiba Inu coin. Come on, greens. I sold a 15 Pika making out good. Yes, Pika is making out good on Apecoin right now. Sold a 15. Hey, Motor Lifer. Nothing wrong with selling for a profit, though, man. Nothing wrong at all with selling for a profit. Snowstorm in Cornwall was in shorts yesterday. Sounds like you got Ohio weather there, Remy. Sounds like you got Ohio weather. It was 80 degrees over the weekend, and it is 38 right now. Apecoin. And then number 50% of Shiba. Juice. 50%, yes. But let's keep this in mind, too. You know, even if they do burn 50% of Shiba Inu coin, let's keep all other things the same, okay? Let's maintain the market cap. What happens to the price if you burn 50% of the supply, but you want to keep the market cap the same? Price doubles. So we would just be sitting at 4,600 points per coin. if we burnt 50% of the supply. If somebody came in and burnt $5 billion worth of Shiba Inu coin, 250 trillion coins, we would be sitting at 4,600 points per coin. So we need to do much more than just burn. I mean, reducing the supply is nice because it gives you the opportunity to reach higher prices based on the same market cap. But we need more people to be willing to buy. We need to get people excited. People, they need to see the potential, and they need to have that desire to own it. Clearbro, game is XCOM 2. Specialist is hacking computer expert. Dang it, man. That's like a dream. I would love to be able to hack computers, but I have no idea how to do that at all. You can barely send an email, man. If you're under $1 for more than 6 months, all you have to do is beg. You get 180-day granted. If it happens again, beg some more, and you get another 180 days. No more chances after that. Dang, man. So is that what's going to happen to Farmy? They're going to beg for another 180-day extension, then I'm going to be stuck in here for another 6 months. Good afternoon. So what is the excuse for red today? Because the indices are all green. Yes. I don't know what the excuse for the red today is, man. I don't know. The index, we've got the NASDAQ 0.35% higher. We've got the SPY 0.70% higher. AMC and GME are both in the red today. Farmy in the red, Prog in the red, GameStop in the red, Highcroft in the red, Netflix in the red. It does seem like everything except the indexes are in the red today. So, what's the excuse? Only large cap stocks. Only large cap stocks must be moving higher, man. That's the excuse that I'm going to have to come up with there as to why the stocks that we watch would be in the red while all of the indexes are in the green. It's the best I can come up with. I'm not trying to defend them, but I'm just trying to offer that point of view. Good morning, Clay, my man. Have you seen the marijuana companies? I feel they will turn around soon. I'm in Tilray. Jump in. Alex, I am not in Tilray or Sundial. I've not been keeping a great eye on the marijuana companies in general, but we do watch Sundial here on a daily basis. We check out what it's doing. And yeah, man, 51 cents is relatively low for Sundial. It did very well on speculation that the House would pass the bill. The House did pass the bill. And it's been selling off ever since. But if you compare this graph right here to the NASDAQ, you can also see that the NASDAQ has been selling off over the same time period. If you compare it to AMC, you can see AMC's been selling off over the same time period. So we had a very euphoric run right here. I mean, you can see it in AMC. You can see it in Sundial. You can see it in GameStop. Can we see it in Prague? Sort of. We can see it in Prague, and then earnings hit. Farmy? No, Farmy definitely not, man. Farmy's just been nothing but red. Farmy sucks. Molinado, boom. Yeah, you can kind of see it in Molinado right there too. So we had a very euphoric period where we had a lot of stocks running, and then they decided to sell off, man, once this March 25th time frame hit. If anybody knows anything specific about March 25th, I wonder if Jerome Powell opened his big mouth on March 25th and just caused some devastation in the overall market. You can see NASDAQ too, man. NASDAQ peaked a couple days later and then started to sell off. AMC March 25th, same day as the NASDAQ peaked there, the 29th. So, no, forget about Farmy. March 29th, yeah, man, March 29th on Prague, you had that rundown because of their earnings report there. So March 25th to 29th was something pretty big for the overall market there. I don't know what it was. I don't like it, though. Devil's Advocate. Fun fact, when I'm gone for a while and come back, it's like when Fat Thor holds out his hand and the hammer comes to him. I take a deep breath to check to see if my name's blue in. I'm still worthy. Devil's Advocate, what's going on? You gotta be gone for longer than a week, man, to get unblued. Come on now. You gotta be gone for more than a week. Dude, people take vacations all the time, man. You think you can't come in the chat for... If you're gone for like 6 months, you might be getting unblued. But, come on, man. A week? What are you talking about? I don't even remember to check, like, on a weekly basis. You gotta give me at least like half a year to check the blue names. Let's see. Dindy James, man. Thank you for the burger, Dindy James. Dindy, thank you for the super chat there. Actually had some burgers over the weekend, man, so thank you very much. Just cheeseburgers. I put some macaroni and cheese on the one burger. Not the first burger, but the second burger I had. Put some macaroni and cheese on that one. But just your typical cheeseburger with mustard and ketchup. None of that fancy stuff like you got there with lettuce, tomatoes, and onions on that one. It's my birthday, March 25th, 30 years old. Alex, you are the reason that everything is falling. How's my 415 prog position looking? Probably as good as my 350 prog position, JB. What is the best coin to buy into right now? Tom, I don't know what the best coin to buy in. Honestly, one of the best coins to buy into right now would probably be something like a stable coin, like Gemini. Always stays at $1 and pays you 8% interest. Why do I say that? I don't know if we're done with the dip. So one of the best things that you could probably do, preserve your capital and move to safer returns like a lot of people are doing in the market right now, like the vast overall market is doing. You can always close out your position and get back in if things seem to be turning around. But one of the best coins could be a stable coin at this moment, man, because of all of the uncertainty that is going on right now. King Photo! Thank you for the super chat. King Photo says, Batman owns Shib. Dude, if Batman owns Shib, we gotta get the Shib. We gotta get the Shib if Batman owns Shib. King Photo, man. Batman owns Shib, so let's get it. I did not know that Batman owns Shib. It's actually pretty impressive. Cannot wait, Clay. Become a member of ARK Investor. Who, me or you? Prog was supposed to have a ticker symbol change because they were teaming up with another company. Shredda, when was that? Yes, they were supposed to have that, but I don't know what day that was supposed to be. Good morning, all you beautiful people. Molly's Secret Collection, public mint today. Frodo, you got to be excited about that, man. Prag will eventually hit $4 again, assuming no dilution. Oh, dude, I hate dilution, man. I hate dilution so much. I hate dilution so much. What is this? Let me see if I can remember the symbol that we were looking at. It diluted the crap out of the shareholders. I think it was this one. Look at this nonsense here, man. Look at this nonsense. CXRT does very well. CRXT, sorry, does very well on news. They have like a drug that fights cancer or something. And then what do? They come out, man, and they dilute the snot out of their investors and bring it all the way back down. A 50+% decline in the share price because they more than doubled the shares outstanding. They issued like 30 million shares. And that's on top of the 24 million shares that they had outstanding. So they diluted their shareholders by more than double. And that's just disgraceful when the company decides to take advantage of and dilute the crap out of the stock like that. When the shareholders are the ones getting screwed. The ones that own the company are the ones getting screwed when they go through dilution like that. So, man, I hate dilution. These CEOs, man, they just want to pay themselves and they forget. They forget that they are still working for an owner when they're diluting their companies. But, oh, man, they really like to dilute companies these days. JB position is looking like a dog after a puppy enjoys a pup cup from Starbucks. Diarrhea bomb. Oh, God. It's kind of like mine, man. My dog loves pup cups, and they do result in... Man, we gotta get pup cups not resulting in diarrhea anymore. What is up with all these pup cups resulting in diarrhea? Sure, they're changing, but to my knowledge, that's not why. It is to highlight them focusing more on specific avenues and their patents. Buy Shiba land. Gray man, I actually do not have any Shiba land. Did you buy Shiba land? King Photo, I don't own crap. Oh, Vengeance is Batman. Yes, there he is. Vengeance owns Shiba, and Vengeance says, I do not own crap. A giant hawk swooped down, tried to eat my Shih Tzu about 40 feet up in the air. My dog bites the heck out of the hawk's leg, falls faster than Shiba Inu, breaks her back in both legs. My doctor billed $9,000. John Jay, is that true? John Jay, is that true for real, man? That would be wild if that is true right there, and I absolutely hope it's not. Denise, morning from Pep. Morning, Denise and Pap. What is going on? Devil's Advocate, hey, anything that can help them make us money. Oh, dude, anything that can help any company make money in the market we're in right now. Yes, I would absolutely say, let's do it. Let's do it. Yes, how about one platform? You're talking about the land, Gray Man. Gotcha. Good morning, everyone. Peak of Power. Good morning to you. Guys, a little recap on the market over here. AMC still down, $15.48. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $23.31 right now, up 1.39%. GameStop up 0.52%, sitting at $128.26. Farmy still trading sideways at $11.64. What is the opposite of soaring, flying? Because Farmy is doing the opposite of that, hitting new lows every single day for like the last 5 days. If anybody knows the song for the opposite of soaring and flying, you got to let me know that one. It's got to be a good tune, though, that I can carry, too. So think about that while you can. Prague sitting at 87.5 cents after bouncing off 85 cents. Absolutely ridiculousness. Shout out to you. Oh, it's a guy that robbed your deck. Sundial, 51.38. Mullen Auto, $1.32. CEI, 81. SPY, 4.20. BBIG, 2.50. Highcraft Mining, $1.47. And Netflix getting ripped yet again, $192.97. Falling. Dive in. Yeah, that could be. I don't know if that's a real song or not, but it should be, Frodo. Now I'm free. Dun dun dun. Free falling. Yeah. That could be another one, too. Devil's Advocate. That's a good one. Now I'm free. Free falling. I like that one. Dang, you guys are actually good with these songs, man. That one might be. That's my ode to Farmy there. Yes. Even though I hate it because I'm losing money on it. I'm so glad I didn't sell my Apecoin clay. Pika! Question is, as it creeps up to these all-time highs, will Pika continue holding on to her Apecoin? On the next episode of Pokemon, will Pika Power continue holding her Apecoin? She's been going through the wilderness for several days now, reaching all-time highs, but does she know, lurking right around the corner, could be some increased volatility? Stay tuned for the next episode of... Well, I was going to say Dragon Ball Z, but that doesn't relate to Pika. Pika Power Crypto. Please, guys, stay tuned for the next episode of Pika Power Crypto, because we need to know if Pika's selling her Apecoin there. Survived XCOM 2. Nobody knows what XCOM 2 is, man. I never saw that game in my life. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. No, is that the opposite? That would be a good thing. I feel like that would be a good thing. PBIG ain't 250 clay. Don't play me like that. Oh, 225. Woo-hoo-hoo! 225, man. I must have been looking at that 2249 and mixed up the one there. 2249. Vengeance. That is my bad, man. My bad. BBIG sitting at 225, not 250 right now. Sorry. Vinny James, after fee $1,700, not including 2 times, I was outbid a roadside platinum pole on the north side. Dang, did you pay $1,700 for a plot of land? You got it, man. It's cool, bro. I'm jelly. Dindy! Yeah, man. Dude's got some good land there. Great. How do you feel about the secondary market? What if they take like 2 years to develop the Metaverse? You still going to be cool with that? Should it not? You good, man? Just wanted to clarify what the reasoning was. I don't know anyone, including you, to have false hopes of partners. We get enough of that already. Hey, Allison Cassie. What's going on, Allison Cassie? I fly. I can believe. I can believe as well. Pika is going to make bank on that Apecoin. She's one of the smart ones. I have zero patience. Sometimes Moto Lifer. A lot of us have zero patience sometimes. We've got patience when it's red. But when it's green, we like to take our profit. That is the exact opposite of what we should be doing. We need to cut our losers short and let our winners run instead of cutting our winners short and letting our losers run. Yes, that I believe I can fly. It's just not flying yet. Dindy, I like the way you think, man. You got to keep it positive. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Come on, Farmy, every night and day. I spread my wings and fly away. I believe. Okay, good. All right, yeah, like Clay, shut up now. You know what we used to do for AMC? We used to put one of these bad boys on the chart. We used to put one of those bad boys on the chart right here. And you know what we would do? We would turn it purple. Why would we turn it purple? Because purple means you're going to go up. You guys watch this. When Farmy hits this line right here, it will have no choice but to go up and follow that line higher. It's going to be amazing. Watch the power of the line. You put it on before it comes, and there it goes. Isn't that I Believe I Can Fly a song about R. Kelly's religious retribution on how now he's found God and he makes it okay? I have absolutely no idea what that song is about, Devil's Advocate, but I know it's a good one. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. Yeah, I just know it's a good song. You got to do the woo. You got to do the woo. You missed the woo. My bad, Disney James. I have a hard time selling. I always feel like I'll regret it. But there has to be an end to everything. Peak of power. There does have to be an end to everything. And when the end results in you making money, I like it. Steeper. JB. Throwback, man. JB with the throwback. JB, I got you. JB's making me nervous now. We're getting close. We're getting close to that one. JB says steeper. We got to go. Shoot, man. What are we doing? We got one here. We got to have one here, too. Hold on. Give it a chance. Yes, let's go. We've got the lines on the chart. Put the line on the chart, you see. And twist it all up. Pick apart, you cut me short. And you were right. I was able to send some BTC and Ethereum to Robinhood. Oh, they haven't activated it for Shiba yet. Gotcha, Moto Lifer. Well, they need to be doing that then, man. Pretty cool that you got your crypto wallet on Robinhood. Anybody else got one of those? I'd sell the mess out of some Apecoin. Mr. Nice Guy. Who the heck is Mr. Nice Guy? Who the heck is Mr. Nice Guy? I don't know who Mr. Nice Guy is. My dog can't fly. True story. John J, dude, if that really is a true story about your dog, man, that is really, really sad. Prime example of why Clay is the leader of our BTP Acapella group. BTP? Side note, Pika, not everything has an end. Vengeance's love for you is limitless. Darn right it is, Vengeance says. I got a wallet on Robinhood. Chevy Silver Raider has a wallet on Robinhood. Anybody else? Clay is the new vocalist. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Get some Shiba. I do have some Shiba. Toad, out of 4 more days, Paul Wright Laws will be on sniper duty then. As long as I'm still on specialist duty and you don't get rid of me. Pro Trailer Park, you dingus. God. How do I not remember? How can I not put that together? BTP. Bro Trailer Park. Yeah, now I got it. We got BTP coin coming out soon, guys. That's what you do, bro. Sammy boy, thanks for being in here, for real. You know, I know that we might spend a little less time just simply looking at the charts like some other channels do. But, dude, you gotta get through the red times, man. You gotta get through the down times. And when it's difficult, you just gotta have some fun. Look at Farmy here doing the exact opposite. Look, Farmy's gonna start going backwards on this line now. It's dropping into the purple line here. It's actually gonna start going backwards. It's following the line the wrong way. Very interesting that it's deciding to do the exact opposite of what it should be doing. It is getting ready to start its takeoff. Okay, there you go. Start your takeoff. You touch the line. Now it's time to move. What's up, Claire, bro? Love from Nepal. Momo Life. I don't know if you're still in Nepal or not, man. If this is true, that is cool. Cannot wait, Clay. I become SpaceX astronauts. Me? I'm going to become an astronaut? Dude, I would go to space. Come on now. What's happening on Wall Street? Not much, man. Not much is happening on Wall Street. Losses left and right. Let's go. Will Smith, the like button, guys. Hit that like button. Please do. How many likes do we have? We have 30. Hey, you guys are doing good. I'm going to commend you. You guys are doing good today. 33 likes. There's 56 of you guys in here. Please click that like button. 33 is very low. Snake ate my baby. Bro Trailer Park Channel 9 a news station. No. No, we will not have any snakes eating any babies. Unless those babies are snake food. And then they will be eating those babies. Yes, forget stonks and have fun. Skyrim and gardening instead of watching stonks and working hard. But Cassie, and you're still in here. And you're still in here, Cassie. I love it. Hanging out, having fun with us. Clear's partnership with esports significance and talking about you. So I did see all those headlines this morning, Moto Lifer. Any partnership is significant, yes. Anytime somebody is creating utility for Shiba Inu coin where you can use it, that is significant. For a couple of reasons, let's talk about those real quick. Even if people don't use it, even if people are like, no, I'm not spending my Shiba, I'm not spending my, Ethereum, I'm not spending my Bitcoin, all that stuff. Even if they're not willing to spend it, if Shiba Inu coin logo shows up as a usable cryptocurrency, people are going to have that in their minds, dude. It's free marketing at that point. And the more eyes that you can get on Shiba Inu coin, the better it's going to be. They might not buy it today. They might not buy it tomorrow. But a year from now, they might be like, dude, I've been playing these games for the last year. Shiba Inu coin, I've seen it every single day. I trust it. I believe in it. I want to buy some. And then they buy some. So any sort of marketing is good marketing, even if these people don't actually utilize it and spend it on those platforms. Clear, we're here and having a good time as a community. Love it, Frank. Skyrim's the best Metaverse lands. I've never even seen Skyrim. Private vengeance message. I hope it's a court of owls. I think no one being able to say for sure who killed his parents means it could be the Talon and court of owls could easily fit into the universe. I have no idea what is going on right now. I either missed something or I do not know what a court of owls is. Hit an L when mow lawn. Always Saturday, unless it's raining, then maybe Sunday. But mowing the lawn is a weekend thing. And, look, we're just going to move that there. Farmy decided to move a little bit later than usual, and so did AMC. Just decided to move a little bit later than usual. We're going to move the lines over a little bit. Yes, am I cheating? I'll admit it, but it's still okay. We got Farmy and Prague, both in the red today. AMC back in the green, following the NASDAQ higher. The NASDAQ is up 1% today, sitting at 12.6. It's back above this major level of support. We are hoping beyond hope that we throw something against the wall and it sticks. What movie is that from? But we're hoping that the NASDAQ finds this level of support at 12.5 and decides to use this level of support to move higher from here on out. GameStop still doing pretty well on the day, up 1% right now. Shiba Inu coin, although it's trading sideways, is still up 1% on the day. AMC doing well, like I say. Prague and Farmy not doing so well today. We've got Sundial up to 2% and having a nice green candle coming there. Mullen Auto still doing okay, but a little lower than it was earlier, sitting at $1.33. CEI 80 cents. SPY 421. Soaring, flying. The NASDAQ or the SPY is sitting up 1.30% right now. BBIG 225, not 250. Vengeance 225. Highcroft Mining $1.46 and Netflix $193 per share. Farmy about to hit some all-time lows here. All-time low on Farmy is $11.55. We're gonna have to see if it hits $11.55. All right, no, it's going back up now. Never mind. Thought it was gonna hit another all-time low, but it's not doing it. Ladies, Shredda is here. What part of private message do you not understand, Clay? My goodness. Was that one private too, between me and you? Or was that one not private? Clearly, when I messaged him in a group chat between hundreds of people, I wanted utmost privacy. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, man. You guys should... what? I don't even know how that happened. You should use Invisible Ink, man. Or you guys can create your own language like twins do, and then you guys can talk to each other. 3 p.m. Looks good. The pickin' is getting slimmer. Shredda, I want the pickin' to be ripe, man. I want to see some ridiculous gains. I don't care if it's today or tomorrow. I'm giving it a 24-hour notice. I want to see some ridiculous gains in these stocks that we watch. These 4 that are on the board right now. I want to see some ridiculous gains in Prague too, because I know we get some Proggers in here. I want to see some, actually all of these stocks on the left. I want to see some insane gains. I'm talking 15 to 25% minimum returns on every single position on the left here. You get 24 hours to do it, or I'm coming for you. I'd like to see PWL versus Denell in a mow-off. That would be very interesting. Paul's professional. The question is Denell a professional? You think with inflation and a bunch of other junk, the banks would want their money back and cause a squeeze? Shredda, you would think that the banks might want their money back, but the banks want anything that can make them money, man. And if the hedge funds are still paying their interest, if the hedge funds are still, I guess, fulfilling their obligations, they're going to be okay with that. Unfortunately, I already know the 2 villains and the Batman too. How do you know, Vengeance? How do you know? 63 here, but likes on stream 36. You guys okay? Hit the like button. Listen to Pramasa there. Please click that like button. Oh my gosh, that's true. My little brothers had their own language. I had to learn it to manage to convert. Dude, Dindy, is it really true? I never really knew any twins to have their own language, but that sounds sick if it's true, man. Hey Clay, do you use Weeble? Yes. I set a buy limit in the order it was fulfilled, but now I can't get the buy limit line off of my chart. Yeah, so Kalani, if you go, there's a button in your settings. I don't know if you have to click that middle button and then click settings, or if you just click your profile up on the top right and then scroll down a little bit and click settings. But there's a chart settings button that you can use, and then on the chart settings button, you can have your position line on the chart, you can have your order lines on the chart, you can have like your sell lines on the chart, or you can take all the lines off of the chart. So I'm 90% sure it's not in your like Webull account button, it's in your profile button. So if you click that button in the top right on your phone, and then I believe go to chart settings settings, and then I think chart settings is what it's called. And then you can remove or add whichever one of those lines you do or don't want to have on there. Pro at everything I do. Danelle, I like it. Now that's what I'm talking about. Click. How can I do get some bro stickers for my motorcycle? Moto Lifer, let's do some giveaways here maybe in the next month or so. I'm still wanting to buy a bunch of shirts to get ready for everybody that's going to be turning 1 year old on the stream here and having their member chats for their super member chats or whatever they are for the green names for 1 month. So we could do some giveaways then, man. Has Powell ever had a positive impact on the market? Zachary. Yeah. I don't know if Powell has ever had a positive impact on the market. But anytime interest rates are remaining unchanged or even being lowered, that is good news for the market. And I honestly, I'm sure with Powell having been Fed chair for a while now, that he has had some positive meetings. But overall, dude, lately, no, man. It's just been a menace lately. You know, people worried so much about inflation and interest rates that they sell off anytime they hear Powell go, good afternoon. Yeah, sell off. Click the line, hit the trash can. What? I don't know what that means. I'm Western Canadian. We don't French. We talking about language, or we talking about kissing? Whatever, you can send a motorcycle as a super chat. Boom, and then you get your bro right on it. I would argue Batman, without looking like a fitness model, is more realistic, and that he would likely look more like an MMA fighter and or CrossFit athlete. And I like that Battison doesn't look juiced. Are we talking about Robert Pattinson? Patterson, whatever his name is? Or Battison? Is that like a dude? Is this like somebody in Batman that I don't know about? Or... yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I actually haven't seen Batman yet, but I hear it's pretty good. Hi, Danelle. Just sitting here thinking about you being a pro. I dig women who can do them for themselves, too. Nice, Shredda. Danelle is a pro at everything. As long as DXY is above the dollar, is above 102.50, and not on the downtrend, we won't see much. Honestly, I understand why the dollar is high right now. Let's see if we can pull that up here. Let's see here. So I understand this is the dollar index, right? And the dollar has been increasing drastically since like last June, which makes no sense, man. United States has not been doing very well since last June, but mainly because of, where's it at? February. Yeah, all this war talk back here has really caused a nice spike up in the dollar. So the dollar is apparently a safe haven currency. During times of war, people buy into the dollar, and the dollar therefore goes up in value. That is exactly what we are seeing right now. And fortunately or unfortunately, whether you guys invest in cryptocurrencies, just in currencies in general, this will come back down once things settle back down. The dollar is at a very, very high point right now. I mean, if you look at this weekly graph going back to 2015, if you look at a monthly graph, you're looking at highs ranging all the way back with major support levels to 1998. Clearly, 2001 here, we had a nice sell-off from 2002 all the way through 2008. But reaching major levels of resistance, this $3 range, or 103 range, sorry. Major levels of resistance, you guys can see. Clearly it can surpass it, but you gotta go back to 1983 and 1999 if you're really wanting to surpass the levels that it is currently at. So if you guys are into currency or Forex or whatever, very, very strong level of resistance being met by the dollar right now. So keep your eyes on that if you guys are into that Forex business. Coming back out here, we've got Farmy doing absolutely nothing, hitting an all-time low of 1151. Nice little wick to the downside there, Farmy. Really messing with my heart. 250,000, 150,000, 250,000 shares being traded. Roughly, 700,000 shares being traded in this 3-minute time frame right here. Volatility, volatility, volatility. We need some upside. And honestly, if JB didn't say, oh no, that's not what I wanted. If JB didn't say steeper, let's see if we can keep this trend line going for AMC here. Dude, I'm happy with any ascending trend line. You know what? Let's be a little bit more realistic here too. Come on. Come on. You can do it. I have faith in you. 2 reasonable levels right here. We're going to watch these 2 reasonable levels be fulfilled. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Moto Lifer. Thank you very much for the super chat. Moto Lifer says, motorcycle for Clay. For the Queen. I like it. Moto Lifer. Kisses for the Queen and motorcycles for Clay. Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Appreciate you. Nah, I just wonder. Who is the Queen? Who is the Queen? I do not know. Who is the Queen? We will have to figure that out. Nah, I don't know, but it's a significant rise is all I'm saying. It's on the Molly Secret Collection. A public mint is now live. It will go fast. Get in now if you want one. Guys, if you want a Molly Secret Collection public mint, go get one. Go get one. Go check out their Twitter. I'm sure it's on their Twitter somewhere. Go check out Frodo's Twitter. I'm sure he retweeted it. But check that out if you guys want a public mint of Molly's Secret Collection right there. I gotcha. It's definitely a seller's market. Good luck with everything. Oh, dude. Like, if you're talking about houses right now, yeah, it is definitely a seller's market. I'm contemplating selling my house and just, like, living on the street. Would you guys be cool if I just used my 5G and like went to Walmart, went to McDonald's, went to Starbucks, connected to their Wi-Fi's, and then just did my stuff from there? Like plugged in for maybe a minute? Yeah, I think that might be the way to go with what these house prices are doing right now. And then with how inflation and interest rates are projected to continue rising, these prices might fall in here. Prices might fall here pretty soon. So I don't know, man. I'd be okay just like chilling in the back of a Starbucks all day. Moto Lifer is queen of the chat today. Moto Lifer, queen of the chat today. You're watching Shiba, but not Ape. Oh, Bob. Oh, Bob. Oh, Bob. Watch this, Bob. Watch this. Watch this. Boom, boom. We're watching Ape 2, man. We're watching Ape 2. It's all right. We got Shiba on the screen, but we've got Ape in the back door. Ape's coming through the back door. If you know what I mean, you got to click through the back door here to get to it. But we've got Ape right here. It's all right, man. We've been watching Ape 2. Pika is queen of Ape. So oh my God, come back out here. And we got a big old red line. This thing does not follow. Farmy does not follow. It doesn't understand. I think it's the color. Farmy doesn't understand what these lines mean. It's kind of ridiculous. AMC likes purple. Yes, we're going to find out if Farmy likes yellow, because clearly something's wrong there. Every time it touches that line, it goes down. Devil's Advocate, I sold my son's house. Cash deal, no appraisal, all in a week. Made a very good profit. Dang it, man. I'm going to sell my house, man. I'm going to sell my house. And then, oh Oh my God, those red lines are printing. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank says, gaming snake, ninja snake gaming. $2 from me, 1 cent from my Twitch follower. Frank is up to 62 Twitch followers. I love it, man. I love it. Frank, I don't know anything about games. I don't know what you're playing over there on Twitch. 62 followers. Guys, if you want to go follow Frank on Twitch, man, help him out. Absolutely. I believe his name is Frank CFV, so make sure to check that out and follow my dude out on Twitch if you guys want to watch some games being played. I believe daily. Frank, correct me if I'm wrong, man, but I believe daily, right? Sounds like something I'm interested in. Oh, then you know what to do, Megalotone. Let's get started. I don't know about doing my live stream on public Wi-Fi, but I do my online business for 5 years from the library, coffee shops, and occasionally restaurants. Yeah, I will not lie. If I was doing live streams like this from public places, I would have to be quieter. I'm talking loud. I'm talking like, you know how your dad puts you on speakerphone and he starts yelling into the phone because he acts like nobody can hear him? That's how I feel when I do these live streams. I have a microphone. And, you know, I could just be so much calmer. I could be so much more collected if I realized that the microphone picks up the sounds. And I can either turn the volume up on the microphone, I can get closer to the microphone, or I can just speak, you know, more directly into it. And I don't understand why I don't comprehend this. I'm like an older man speaking into his speakerphone. You feel like you gotta yell. And I don't know if it's because of my excitement, because of, you know, if it has something to do with being in front of the computer. I don't know what the deal is. But I feel like I could pull this off in a public place. It would just be like having a conversation, man. I'd bring the ring light too, trust me. I'd bring the ring light. I'd bring it all. I'd bring my desktop if I had to. Oh, Farmy likes yellow. Dude, who would have knew? Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed it was the color of the line? Who would have guessed it was the color of the line? Purple is bad. Yellow is good. AMC likes purple. Farmy likes yellow. Dude, it's just a little bit of give and take. And finally, it's paying off. What's your Twitch name? What's up, Big Franks? What's going on? Mr. Nice Guy, maybe $20. Let's go. 5150. Somebody call the po. Mr. Nice Guy, I was told last week, but I'm glad I didn't to sell. Gotcha. If you're in a coffee shop, I'm going to give you so many banana super Yeah, you guys are jerks, aren't you? You would be doing that. You would be doing that. You guys are jerks, dude. Zachary. Yes. You would probably get me kicked out. You'd probably get me kicked. I don't know if you could be doing banana super chats in public. They would, for sure, frown upon that. But Clowny says, oh, man, unicorn super chats. What's wrong with the unicorn super chat in public? Absolutely nothing. Clowny, I got you, man. You ready for this? Thank you very much. Clowny, for the super sticker, man. And we got Zachary. Zachary says, this is what it would look like in public. God, dude, I hope there's nobody in here right now. There's not, because it's my bedroom. We've got the banana. This is called the lick and stick technique, everybody. Lick, stick. AMC Trapper, thinking about you for some reason, man. I don't know what it must be. Are you in the chat right now? How you doing? If you are, good. If not, I don't know why, man. I don't know why. Farmy, still posting some decent lines because of this yellow line here. All you gotta do, guys, is change the color, and it follows the color. Cash me outside. How about that? Shredder. Twitch is Frank CFV. Who would be hit on by good customers at the coffee shop? Roulette wheel. Especially if I was doing, I don't know, man. I don't know. If I was sitting there, I feel like I would get kicked out if I was doing bananas. Even if I was like, oh, Moto Lifer. Even if I was speaking quietly, so like nobody could really hear me around, and I was like, oh, Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the salt shaker. I really appreciate that salt shaker. And you know what you got to do with salt? And then everybody else is watching, and they're just like, what is this guy doing? He's using a salt shaker? You got to pour the salt out, man. You got to pour the salt out. Just pour it on the table and then throw it over your shoulder for good luck. But because salt tastes so good, you got to... it gets in your eyes, man, and it stings. Every time it stings. I probably would act out like that, and I would start to... And they think I'm going crazy, and then I'd get kicked out for sure, man. Dindy James, year number 1. Year number 1. Year number 1. Dindy, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Roulette Wheel says, someone wants to know about Solana. Well, shoot, man. Roulette Wheel. I don't know who it is. Let's go take a look at Solana out there. Solana, I believe, trading around $100 per coin today. Let's double check this. Solana, $100 per coin. $100 per coin. $100 per... $98 per coin. Okay, so it was $100 per coin a little bit earlier today. Breaking $100, massive level of support and resistance. It did break down through that $100 level of support, and it came and touched this little area in here where it is like $95 level of support at this point because it held up as resistance before. You can see it tapped it. Here's resistance, here's support, resistance again, and that is exactly where we touched here, 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 here. So bouncing off this $95 level, coming back up, retesting $100, and if it breaks back up to the upside, it breaks through 100 will then be used as support. So I don't know if you're in Solana or not, but if you're in, protect yourself to the downside, right? I don't know if you guys are necessarily diamond handing everything, but protect yourself to the downside if it's not able to break this $100 line and get back above it. Well, what do you know there? The yellow line does not hold up. Farmy giving back a nice big red line, sitting at 11.57 right now, getting ready to bust a new all-time low as somebody goes out there and sells 126,000 shares. AMC sitting up 1.16%, trying to break through. Oh, back above that yellow. It is respecting that yellow line. AMC sitting at 15.69, Shiba Inu coin 23.30, and GameStop 128.73. Roulette Wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Roulette Wheel says, good job, man. Good job. Roulette Wheel, thank you. That's just you know what? That's just a nice, solid, good job. Roulette Wheel, here's a nice, solid, and sincere thank you. Dude, somebody tells you a good job, you say thanks. Appreciate that, man. Positive feedback. You don't need it. You can get through without it, but it is nice to have some positive feedback and a little bit of encouragement. So, Roulette Wheel, I like it, dude. I like it. I do. Dude had a green name. I'd say king this chat today. But I don't know. Roulette Wheel, man, thank you. Sincerely, thank you very much. What did Vengeance say? I missed it. Pika Power. Pika says, man, you know what? You look hot today. Actually, it's very cold out here, Pika. Ice cream is delicious. I don't know. It looks like, is it black cherry? No? No, it's not black cherry. Strawberry. Thank you very much for the strawberry ice cream, Pika. Appreciate the ice cream. All of these beautiful super stickers, guys. You guys are awesome. Clay, what does this sticker do? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out what this sticker does. I ate some ice cream, Pika. What else would it do? I wanted to. But he needs the green name. Oh, man. We need the green name to king the chat. How do color names work? Zachary, so you actually have a green name, man. If you're on Android, you probably can't see that your name is green right now. But everybody on iPhone, and if you're using, I believe, desktop, I can for sure. But I see green names for everybody that's a member of the chat. Everybody else, if you're on iPhone, they see a green name. If you're on Android, they only see the little icon next to your name. But as far as like actual membership rewards or anything like that, it's basically the fact that you can easily be seen in the chat, and then you have those custom emojis, and you get a free super chat every month. I thought you might knock the ice cream ball off the cone. How would I knock the ice cream ball off the cone, man? It was built tough. Pika likes watching Clay eat ice cream. Well, shoot, man, I like eating ice cream, so it works out. Great, now I have to slice up my ice cream like I do the banana. No, you don't have to slice up no ice cream like you slice up a banana. Who slices up a banana? Come on now, Danelle, nobody does that. You think Ape can go to $25? Oh, do I think it will? John, there's a big difference in what I think it will do and what I think it can do. Do I think it will go to $25? I'm going to be honest, man. I'm unsure, especially in the market we're in right now. it's special to have Apecoin outperforming the overall crypto market. Overall crypto market is very stagnant and having a lot of downward pressure right now. Apecoin soaring, doing its own thing and just loving life right now. Can it? Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. I believe it would only put it like at a $6 or $7 billion valuation if it does go to $25 per coin. But it's the overall market's got me a little scared to really make any predictions short term to the upside. But long term, yeah, dude, why not? Especially when the overall crypto market rebounds. Is there a Eat a Snake sticker? No, there are no Eat a Snake stickers, John J. Unfortunately, that sticker does not exist, and I liked it. Nice. Peek a because I liked it too. Whoa, we get a new all-time low? Yes, we do. New all-time low on Farmy right here on 141,840 shares. We've got Farmy tapping $11 or 11.50 cents, 11.5 cents, and then a nice green candle all the way back up to 11.63. And right back down to 11.50. So it must right back down, right back up to 11.58. It must be hearing us say something. What is this news? Is this news anything other than that Guam report? Nope, this is Guam. That's what that is. All right, so we're watching Farmy hit all-time lows down there, even though we have a yellow line. You know what we're going to have to do? We're going to have to see if we can change the color to, let's go white. Maybe it likes white lines, okay? Maybe Farmy likes white lines, and we're going to retry this right here. So, Farmy, you like white lines? Yes. So, sitting at 1164. Oh, God. 11. Okay, there you go. 1160. It drives me crazy, man. Drives me crazy. Cassie, thank you for the pie super chat. Cassie, pie's kind of like cake. You just grab it and then you. You know what my favorite pie is? Take a guess, really quick. Thank you for the super sticker, Cassie. Actually, I have no idea what my favorite pie is. I do like a lot of types of pies. I like raspberry pie. I like cherry pie. I like a cream pie. I like raspberry pie and cream pie. Big ups, Cassie. Farmy getting beat right now. No, dude, nobody likes meat pies. Come on. Pot pies? Who the heck likes pot pies? Nobody. Roulette wheel. Facts on that. Cherry pie is delicious. I'm not going to lie, guys. Cherry pie. Ooh, apple pie. Around like 4th of July. 4th of July, you got some apple pie out there, man. That is a good one. American pie. Also very good. Yeah, man. That's a good one to watch. Let's see. We got, what did roulette wheel say? Clay would make a killing with a Eat a Snake super sticker. I will not be making a killing with any Eat a Snake super stickers. It is not going to happen. Not going to happen. Yeah, like coconut cream pie, chocolate cream pie, peanut butter cream pie, all the cream pies, man. All the cream pies. I like all the cream pies. They're delicious, dude. Snake pie is not a thing, and snake pie is not something that I would be eating there. A roulette wheel. No. Chocolate cream pie. Yes, Frank. Absolutely, man. Pumpkin pie is also delicious. Pumpkin pie for me is not something that I would want to eat all year round, though. But, dude, fall, man, you hook pumpkin pie up around Thanksgiving. You got to smash that pumpkin pie, man. Modalifer, how's your leg healing? Hopefully well. Modalifer, how are you? How are you holding up over there, man? Cream pie in the middle of the night. I guess, man. I'm not usually much of like a midnight snack type of guy, but I would definitely eat a cream pie at night if I was hungry enough. Well, you just have to set the Eat a Snake sticker to like $50. Dindy James, I'm not eating a snake for $50, man. I'm not eating a snake for $50. Nope, not happening. Give a little market recap over here, guys. We've got AMC. I don't know why it's not trying to follow this purple line anymore. Maybe we could just stretch this little guy out here and see what happens if it bounces off. But we've got Farmy sitting at 11.58. AMC sitting at 15.63. Shiba Inu coin 23.28. GameStop 128.77. We've got Prog down at 88.5 cents. The Nasdaq doing very well today, up 1.35%. We've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green today. Sundial up 2.22%, 51 cents 51.18 cents. Sorry. Mullen Auto 135, CEI 79 cents right now, trying to fall down back into negative territory. The SPY sitting up 1.37%, very similar to the Nasdaq, and BBIG sitting at 225 right now, not 250, vengeance, 225, and Highcroft sitting at $1.48, and the Netflix still doing bad, sitting at $192 per share. Ridiculous declines on the Nasdaq. Really over the last couple of months, going from $700 to $192. Incredible to see those losses. Mr. Nice Guy, thank you for the... Oh, man. Mr. Nice Guy, you scared me there. I didn't expect to... Oh, Mr. Nice Guy, thank you very much for the super sticker. That is one of the best ones, but it does get your head a little swirly, I guess is the best way to put that. Your head gets a little swirly when you do that super sticker. So, Mr. Nice Guy, thank you very much for that super sticker. They should create a tie-dye pie. Caesar, that's an excellent idea. Somebody's got to get a tie-dye pie going. I wish we could create our own sticker. Dindy, I would be extremely fearful if you guys could create your own super stickers. I would be extremely fearful of what you guys would come up with. I know you, and I am fearful of what you would do. Pie without the shavings. What do we got? Oh my gosh. Peach pie is delicious. Yes, Danelle, peach pie is delicious. I got one of the best peach pies around. Pie without the shavings. That's even better. Is there a price on AMC that you would say, you know what? It didn't happen. I want to sell it and move on. Eddie, no, not necessarily a price, man. Not a price. The short interest numbers, yes. I know a lot of people are relying on naked shorts and shorts that aren't reported. I'm relying on shorts that are reported. It's just a way to gauge the trade and manage your trade based on something tangible other than just the way I feel. So if short interest drastically drops, 10%, 8%, 5%. If short interest gets that low, yeah, man, I personally, I think it's time for me to throw in the towel on it and sell it. If short interest remains where it's at, but the price is $500, I'm still going to be tempted at that point, but it doesn't seem like the shorts are covering. If the price is $5, I'm still holding because the shorts are still out there. So I'm not necessarily basing my trade on a price. I'm basing my trade on the short interest and the short squeeze numbers. So hopefully that makes sense, dude. It's not necessarily a price. I mean, it could go back down to $1. I am holding what I am willing to hold no matter what. And we're going to have to see how the short interest numbers play out there. It's still too cold to wear shorts here. Oh, yeah, it's 38 degrees here, Danelle. Very cold today. Never heard of frog pie, but I've seen frog jam, and it's fruits, not actual frog. Well, I hope that the pie is not actual frog either. I have had frog legs. Frog legs are actually good. I have no problem eating frog legs. But frog pie? Nah, dude, I'm not like a pot pie type of dude that's going to be sitting there like, oh, yeah, I need to eat that meat pie. But, I mean, it probably wouldn't taste bad, but berry pies are better, and cream pies are better than... They're like a meat pie. Come on, what is up with that? Mud pie for the win. Only invest money you're willing to lose, not selling till the shorts cover. Clowny. Yeah, man. And you know, you don't necessarily have to lose 100% either. You know what I mean? Like, let's say you do. If you get a $100,000 portfolio, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're willing to lose $100,000 because you can set up stop losses. You can set up exit criteria. Maybe you are willing to lose $10,000, right? Maybe you're willing to lose $10,000 on your overall portfolio. So you go out there and buy your positions, and then you manage that portfolio accordingly. And at that point, you are only risking what you're willing to lose. If you've got that 10% stop, or you've got a 10% stop on each one of your positions that's on there, it doesn't have to only be one position, but you've got your 10% stop, and you cut your losses when on the amount that you're willing to lose. So it doesn't necessarily mean you have to lose your whole portfolio, but you can manage your portfolio in a way that's acceptable to you. So you can still, what I'm trying to say is you can still invest more money than you're willing to lose, but at that point, you may be more conservative around earnings reports and things like that, because you can see gap downs that can cause you to lose a little bit more than you were hoping to lose. So keep it, I guess, not very restrictive. Keep your stops looser, but at the same time, I mean, come on. If you are investing in larger companies, nobody really expects a 40% decline in companies like NASDAQ on an earnings release, just a gap down and a decline of 40%. That kind of stuff is insane. Instead of people telling us to hold because of a squeeze, they should have said to sell, but I guess they're not financial advisors. Shredda, exactly, man. Exactly. And you know, there is a little bit of, oh man, I don't know, like toxicity, maybe is an appropriate word, in the Twitter community or this AMC space or whatever. And it kind of goes both ways, okay? I personally don't think that AMC is a short play. I don't think that people should be shorting it because it is dangerous because of the amount of people buying it. And shorting is an increased risk. So like everybody that's out there on like TikTok saying you've got to short AMC, it's way overbought and all this nonsense. Yeah, dude, that's probably more dangerous than buying AMC, even though it's overvalued. But at the same time, dude, you know, if you want to sell your stock, man. If you, like, why can somebody get mad at you for selling your shares? My idea with AMC is to buy it and hold it until the short squeeze numbers go down. And then guess what, man? I'm going to be selling it. If the price is at 1,000, great. If the price is at 10, great. I'm basing my trade on that. If you guys are basing your trade on something and $100 a share is going to give you the money you want, get the money you want, man. I don't know. I see a lot of people tearing up Review Dork, and Review Dork has kind of like switched lines a little bit and gone from a buy and hold short squeeze play to a strict options trader, buying and selling puts and things like that. And puts are okay, man. It's not necessarily shorting the stock if you're buying puts, but playing it to the downside. Stocks move up and down. Clay, if you looked into ATER and all the numbers, it's a perfect setup, and yet shorts have no problem keeping this down despite there being no shares left. So, Eddie, I have not looked into all of the numbers, but Frodo has brought the numbers up quite often. The numbers do seem great. Don't blame it. Don't give the shorts that much power, man. This market is not conducive to growth. I don't care how risky the position is or how well the company is growing. The market we are currently in right now is, I mean, dude, it's detrimental. And I don't like to, necessarily blame things on something that's out of my control or something that is, seems to be keeping us down. But the overall investor is pulling out of the market and finding it very difficult to invest their money in the stock market and crypto market right now. I just wanted you to think that one thing, since you're not doing AMC videos in it, I think you might lose a lot of followers. Please, no, I'm still doing AMC videos, man. A lot of people were asking me about that the other day. That why has it been 2 days without AMC videos? So without Adam Aron saying anything, without any sort of like positive news, I didn't want to come in with an AMC is falling, and I believe it's going to continue falling until it hits 1450. Plus, I'm not going to lie, dude. Doing AMC videos and seeing the click-through rate and the impressions and all of that remain constant, and views going from 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,200 views. It's obvious at that point. There's a lot of people out there who, yes, they are core audience members who want to see it, but there's a lot of people who don't want to watch AMC videos right now because of what the market is doing. Zachary wants to know, Tesla is doing today up. So what is Tesla doing today? We'll talk about that really quick, but I think Tesla was getting ripped down to like $880 or $900. Yeah, so it's at $900. Let's see here. The good news is, after Tesla's major decline that it saw yesterday on everybody concerned about Elon Musk having to borrow against or sell some shares to buy Twitter, Tesla fell down. This was a major level of support right here that it broke through, but Tesla did fall down to this level of support right in here. Tapped it on the upside, and then finally broke through it back in March. So $900, this $875 level is still a very significant level of support for Tesla, and it does seem like it is bouncing back off of it. Little bit of indecision on this Doge right here, but it does seem like Tesla is kind of stalling out on the decline and could be moving back up along with the overall indices. As we know, the SPY and NASDAQ are both doing very well today. But, guys, it is unfortunately 1 o'clock. So we are going to have to, all right, reading through all those. Good deal. Guys, 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. A little recap on the stocks we're watching here. AMC sitting at $15.52, $15.51 before we leave. $23.08, $128.39. And Farmy sitting at $11.63, trying to follow that white line, but really hitting some resistance to this $11.64 lane. So we're going to see what happens there. Prague sitting at $87.64. Good news is, everything typically goes up when we get offline and then starts to steady off again when we are all back online. So let's do these shout-outs and then we will be back a little bit later. Glenn, see you later. King Toad, Pika Power, Chris, King Toad, Danelle, Chevy Silver Raider, Shredder, Frank, Danelle, Cassie, Pika Power, King Toad, Dindy James, Meta Pockets, Frodo. Goodbye, everyone. See you later. Have a great lunch. Roulette Wheel, hasta la vista, baby. See you later. And Roulette Wheel, thank you very much today. Alice in Wonderland. Until we meet again. Absolutely. Pika Power, have an awesome day as well. All of you guys enjoy your lunch. I don't know if Lauren, Stephanie, SD, you guys are in here. And enjoy your afternoon. Hey, Clay, you missed my comments. Just add on the pile of crap. No, I would just add on the pile of crap. No, Chris, I will not add on to any piles of crap, man. Chris, you're going to have a good day, dude. You're going to have a good day, Chris. Bye-bye, sweet cheeks. Mr. Nice Guy. See you later. Danelle, John J, and Ryan. Thanks as well for being in here. And clicking the like button on your way out. I know you guys can get me up to at least 60 likes. Right? At least 60 likes. But, Jose Pio Quinto, I'm leaving, man. I'm leaving, Jose. So you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.